What is trademark infringement and how can you stop it? Imagine pouring your heart into building a brand, only to see someone else use your name or logo in a way that confuses your customers. That's what trademark infringement is all about. It happens when someone uses a mark that's the same or similar to yours on products or services without permission. The goal is to make people think your brand is connected to or sponsored by the infringer, which can hurt your reputation and sales. To prove someone is infringing on your trademark legally, you need to show you have a valid and protectable trademark. You must own the mark and have used it in commerce. The infringer must be using the same or a confusingly similar mark on similar goods or services. And most importantly, their use is likely to cause confusion among consumers about who is behind the products or services. The main test courts use is called the likelihood of confusion. They look at how strong your trademark is, how similar the marks are, what kind of goods or services are involved, and how the infringer is marketing their products. They also consider if the infringer intended to cause confusion or if actual confusion has been reported. So, how do you stop someone from infringing on your trademark? First, keep an eye on the marketplace and online platforms to spot unauthorized use early. The sooner you find infringement, the easier it is to act. Next, send a formal cease and desist letter. This letter states your rights and demands the infringer stop using your mark immediately. Often, this step resolves the issue without going to court. If the infringer ignores your letter, you can negotiate a settlement or licensing agreement. Sometimes they agree to rebrand or pay royalties. If that doesn't work, filing a lawsuit in federal or state court is an option. You can ask the court for an injunction to stop the infringement, damages for any losses, or even the destruction of infringing goods. Registered trademarks give you extra tools. You can file a complaint with the United States Patent and Trademark Office or customs authorities to block infringing imports. Keep in mind that infringers may defend themselves by claiming fair use, which allows limited use of trademarks for descriptive or nominative purposes, or parody, which is protected as free speech. Registering your trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office makes your rights stronger. It provides nationwide notice and presumes your ownership and validity. But even if you haven't registered, your rights can still arise from using the mark in commerce. In summary, trademark infringement is when someone uses your mark without permission in a way that confuses consumers. To protect your brand, monitor for unauthorized use, send cease and desist letters, negotiate when possible, and take legal action if necessary. Enforcing your rights helps keep your brand clear and your customers confident in your products or services.